Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So in this video, let's try to create the candidate profile. So we have the candidate profile.controller.ts file. So I am trying to create so here I will be using async create. So I will get the request and also the response and also the next function. Okay. So I will be getting this next function. Now here we need to create the service. So here in this service, so here you can have an async create. We will use this create, and here we will be getting the request body of type any, and also we will be having another one is the current user. So we need to have the current user also. So that is nothing but which is of type user payload. Fine, we got the create also. So let's try to get these details. Constant. So what are the details we need to get it? So let's go to the schema.prisma. So we need to get these all the things. Let's try to go here, and instead of having this one, constant candidate profile is equal to await prisma dot candidate profile dot create, and in this one I will have the data. So in this data you will be able to get all the things: address, okay, and you will have the birth date, okay, CV, okay, full name, okay, gender, okay, phone, okay. So user ID you will be you need to get it from the request dot current user, which we have all these things. So these are all the things, okay, and is active. These all things are by default we will be having. So these are all the things. So let's try to add these all the things here. Wait, what it is happening? And I am copying. I don't know why this copy is not working. Let's go here and we'll try to copy, and I will paste it here. Yeah, is equal to request body. So request body. So now here, so we have all the details. So now we are creating the candidate profile. So what is happening here? It is running prettier. Okay. Now constant data candidate profile is created. Okay. So these all are created. Fine, and I will return the candidate profile. Return the candidate, spelling mistake. Okay, let's try to return this candidate profile. Now this one is done. Let's go to our controller, and here we will be having the details. So constant candidate profile is equal to await candidate profile service dot create, and we need to send the request dot body, and also we need to send the request dot current user. That's it. And now here we will be having response dot status of status code dot okay, and here I will be sending the JSON. So JSON message candidate profile created successfully, and here we will be sending the message is done data. I will send the candidate profile. That's it. So now we are able to send it. Now let's try to add the routing for this one. Candidate profile.route.ts file. Here I will use the post request. Okay, and here we will be using this create, and we need to get the current user, right? So we need to use it in the verify. So we need to add this verify user middleware, so that the current user will be added, and we will wrap it in the async wrapper, so that whatever the throw errors and all those things is there, it can able to capture it. That's it. Done. So now we are able to send this one. So hopefully everything is done. Let's try to go into here. Now we finished it. Let's go here, and we need to create the request, add request, and this one is create. So create, and here you will be having the same thing, but this time it is a post request, and the body we need to send it, and here we need to add all those details. So here we know that full name is equal to some data, and whatever the details I know, I will try to add it. Address So I'm adding it. Okay, so New York, and here I will add test user and phone number 1 2 3 4 5, and the other one we'll be having is the CV, which he tries to submit. CV node_cv.pdf, and another one is gender, so that one is male. Hopefully these are the things, I think. Let's try to see in our code. Let's go to our auth service. Birth date. Okay, birth date is also important. So here I will be having the birth date. That one is 30-12-2000, something like this. I will add it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 has been added. Here also hopefully 1 2 3 4 5 6 has been added. And I will try to click on the post request send. So if it tries to, so it is telling that candidate profile creation and all the things, user is missing. User is missing means, so that means the user is not logged in, maybe something like that. So for example, let's go to the sign in here, and I will click on this one. So sign in successful. Let's go to our create, and let's try to click on this one again. So now argument user is missing. What is this argument user is missing? Create. Let's go here. So current user. Current user dot ID. We need to get the ID, not this one. Okay, fine. Let's go into here. Let's click on send again. Now it is trying to refresh. Let's try to click on this one again. Let's click on this one again. Yeah. Now it is telling invalid. Input address contains invalid characters. Birth date. Invalid argument for birth date. Okay. So birth date, we are having it something like this. Let's try to go here 2000-12-30. So year, month, something like that. So it will take in situation like that, right? Invalid argument, premature end of input. Okay, expected ISO date, something like that. It is saying internal server error. So what I will try to do is, so here I will try to convert into a new date of birth_date. So I am converting it to a JavaScript date now. Now let's try to see. So if I click on this one, still it is, yeah, here. If I try to click again we'll click. Yes, now the candidate profile has been created successfully with the user ID 2 and is active, and all the things have been added. So this is how we will be creating the user profile details. Now if you try to see here, so we have created and verify user, everything is working fine. So now I'll be providing this GitHub repository URL in the description below. For more details, you can watch, you can take that code and you can watch it. And if you have notes or suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.